मेंटेनन्सा लागून जे मोडलेले इन अ स्पॅन ऑफ 5 years ऑन MV बेती तीच फेरी बोट बुडली आफ्टर स्पेंडींग 1 crore 10 lakhs हो सरकार लोकांले पयशे बुडोवपाक म्हाका दिसता सारको मुखार सरला पब्लीक मनी wasted through corruption and the honorable minister admitted then he said that he has already written into the industry department about this particular fraud that was done in the past about the solar ferry boat as well. You see, yesterday the whole day we tried to convince the transport minister on the number of road accidents, on the number of road deaths, that Goa should learn from its mistakes. There are several states that have adopted several safety measures and they have for safety corridors. The way आज ज्या पद्धतीने road accident लोग मरता, this government is not basically not interested. They are only interested in corruption, only interested in PPP projects, only interested in basically looting the public exchequer. This is what we yesterday ज्या वेळार आमी ऑल्सो पंचायतीचे जे अधिकार आसता लोकांक अधिकार आसता अंडर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 73rd and 74th amendment ऑल्सो ग्रास रूट लेवलाक हे जे अधिकार आसता आपणागले हक थ्रू ग्रामसभा आनी हे इश्यू म्हाका दिसता समहाव हिंगा तेंगेले रायट कटेल करपाचो प्रयत्न आज हो पंचायत मिनिस्ट्रींतल्यान जाता. The Panchayat Minister made several statements with regards to bringing in transparency. We have absolutely no faith in the Panchayat Minister with the way administration in the industries, the way these MSMEs are suffering, the way industrial estates are suffering. Same story. As legislators, it is our duty to legislate, get in new laws to make sure that the industry progresses. Employment इश्यू रिजॉल्व जातलो पूण हे सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता लक्ष ना. आयच्या दिसाक कालच्या दिसाक आनी एक सांगपाक इट इज इन द हिस्ट्री आय थिंक जेन्ना आमी कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घाताय ते कॉलिंग अटेन्शन दीस इज फॉर एवरी वन थ्रू योर मिडियम टू नो कॉलिंग अटेन्शन बिफोर 10 o'clock वी कॅन पुट अ कॉपी ऑफ दॅट हॅज बीन सेंट बाय द लेजिस्लेचर सेक्रेटरी टू द मिनिस्टर and then it is up to the speaker to take it or not. Now it was listed. So when it is listed, that means it has to be spoken about. What was the issue? About road accidents, about people dying. This government is not interested to see these figures. We are speaking on facts. Transport Minister is very busy, absolutely busy. You could see he summoned everything. आमगे individual issue आणि ते उलवेल ना. तर म्हाका दिसता आज जे टुरिझमाचे इश्यू हा pertaining to how the state is suffering, how Goans are not getting any type of benefit, about the illegalities, about how the IT policy has failed. All these issues today will be exposed on the floor of the House.
तुवें पंचायत मिनिस्टराचेर आमकां वेतना म्हणला त्या संदर्भात एक साकवाळे पंचायत आसा ती जो लेडी सरपंच म्हणून आसा ती गेली 3 वर्सां तिणें आजून एक मेरेन ग्रामसभा ती एटेंड जावना ग्रामसभा घेवना तिणें परत ते डेप्युटी आसा कोण ते डेप्युटी सरपंच आसा ते एक्टींग सरपंच म्हणून एक आसा हे कायद्याक खंयी प्रोविजन ना आनी आतां तिगेले सिग्नेचर आसा पळय तिणी सरपंच मारपाक ती सुद्दां हेणें आपणाक मेजॉरिटीन आपणाक हें करून घेतल्या डेप्युटी सरपंच
हे सगळे इलिगॅलिटीज पंचायत मिनिस्टराचो जेन्ना पंचायत मिनिस्टर आपलो कायदो इन दॅट तालुकाच मोडटा वी नो अबाउट हाव दीस थिंग्स आर ब्रोकन ही इज नोन फॉर दीस and it is not a new deal today. Today there is a constitutional crisis. 73rd, 74th amendment प्रमाणे जे लोकांक हक जाय पूण हांवें पंचायत मिनिस्टरान कायदो हाडलो ते दामपाक ते हक पडे हाय ते दामपाक प्रयत्न केला. सो म्हाका दिसता दिस इज what are the issues and these issues we will take up now in the House.
Minister is busy in what?
That you should ask Minister.